today we are at Bandra. We are at the beautiful location. You can see Chimbai Koliwada here, and there is a beautiful jetty. And some boats are sailing, nice waves. Tides, you can see children playing. The flags are fluttering. So today is a Easter day, and Hallalu is hosting Easter at Helma's house. So we all are gathered over here. My friend Augustine is here, Rahul is here, and everyone is here. So we are preparing for the event. Event is going to happen in a couple of hours, and Thelma is busy giving the final touches to her dishes. So we have a lot of East Indian food now. So Mumbai has its own indigenous population. They are Kolis and tribal people. And these tribals and Kolis are living from ages. We don't know when from. So during Portuguese time, a lot of these Koli people got converted into Christianity. And what we call East Indian people, they are these Christian people which we got converted into Christianity during Portuguese time. So they have their different way of celebrating festival. So today we are here to celebrate one such festival called Easter. They also call as Paskusa Sun. So today Thelma is also a Koli woman, and you can see around the fishing nets over here, the anchor and everything. All the things are scattered over here as a fishing nets. And we see also Koliwada where you can see a lot of different boats over here.
I'm staying here past 25 years, and we have seen all the traditional festival over here. All Christmas, New Year, Diwali, everything. And they celebrate like the Portuguese, how they used to celebrate all festival, Holi's, East Indian. And today is a special day as a Easter. Price is risen, and we celebrate as a big festival for us. So their weddings also are like same type of that traditional type. So we have the food, what we prepare for Easter's, like traditional food like pugas, bakari, then fish fry, and all stuff like pulao, veg pulao, all we have that traditional food. So every year we celebrate like a big festival for us as a Easter.
Hi, my name is Kripa and I'm author illustrator. I write and illustrate mostly about my city, which is Mumbai, and its original inhabitants, the Kolis, the Agris, the indigenous communities, and so on. And here I have a display table where I have displayed some of my books that I've illustrated, and as some of the zines that I've created, which are about the plight of the fishing communities today. All the fishing communities that we go that are dotted around Mumbai are facing livelihood issues. So here are some of my illustrations and artwork.
What are your different books? Can you name few of them?
So this is one of the books that I have illustrated recently. It's called Where I Belong. It's about a young protagonist who is trying to save her fishing village from an upcoming coastal raid.
Okay.
And here is one more book that I illustrated. It is written by author Vinita, and I've illustrated it. It's called Lost and Found in a Mumbai Koliwada. It's based in Worli Koliwada, and it's about critically endangered species which are found in our Mumbai shores. And this one is called Bombay Ducks, which introduces readers to Bombay ducks, which is the fish that is found in the waters of Mumbai, which is again critically endangered, and it also talks about the shipbuilding history of Mumbai shores. Hi Joe,
How are you?
I'm doing really well.
Oh, wonderful. Nice to see you. Very good. It's so wonderful. It's a wonderful world.
It is.
Of course.
Yes, it is.
I was playing this wonderful world by Louis Armstrong.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, it's a
Where's your trumpet today?
I don't know where. I gave it to him.
Here is a trumpet. What? This is the trumpet.
Not the Maharashtra line who was fighting for the village. There were 6 to 7 bands with a DCP, SCP to pick me up. But I was not aware of the beach. So the beach was going and like there was no height. So the sea water could be. So to fight for that 8 crores project, I really went through, you can say, a lot of problems.
It's one of the rare stories in Bombay.
How long?
Yeah.
From 2019 we started the environment of Sampurna. And there they say that it's a serious matter, the project has to be discussed. In the white. So I achieved. It's like we should fight for our rights. Na? Even if it's a government project, I don't think why should we keep it.
What is there for food today?
We have banga fry, we have javla banga, we have chicken vindaloo, we have minced keema, green color, then we have papdis, then we have a wedding pickle, we have fugyal, and we have handbags.
So she'll be like, we'll be taking all the food here and she'll be talking about the food also.
Valenसाठी सोन्याची yes. This is given from
What do you think about today? Like,
Today
Like we got your shots about preparing the food, and you were very tensed at that
I
time.
hope they are not messy there. It was messy.
Yeah. No, it wasn't. It was like I feel it is authenticity.
It is. But when we have a small kitchen, it happens.
Yeah.
And anyway, today is our Paschal Sasan. That is Easter Day, and we are celebrating today with around 30 to 40 people, I think, today here, and they are all part of Mumbai. I hope they love the food. What I made today is vindaloo, chicken vindaloo, javla vanga, wedding pickle, papris, wedding papris. Then we have keema. I made green keema. Then vindaloo, chicken vindaloo,
Okay.
and hand breads and yes.
Okay.
So these are all our wedding item which I'm prepared. But what I'm saying is all people in the village or not in the village also should be active to whatever is happening in the community, because we are living in the community, and whatever problems we are facing should come up in the public, and there are many activists and all who come out, they fight with us. So thank you to all of them who do that,
Yeah.
because we are fisher folks and we need help of everyone.
Yeah. Cool.
In Bandra, we have only one lady so far who dresses up what I'm wearing, because we cannot wear this alone. We need somebody's help, and it's a 9 yard. So the pleats here and the pleats going in and this thing coming up here, or then see the design there behind that patti and all going. So somebody has to make you wear it. On your own, no way. I don't know how the elderly people used to wear on their own.
Okay. Yeah.
So she is Daisy, and she is living in Bandra, and she wears lugras whenever there's a program function in the East Indian families. For Umrasa Pani, she goes to house where the wedding is, and she dresses up around 10 to 15 ladies,
Oh,
and she's too good in dressing up, too good.
nice. चलेगा. Cool.
हाँ चलो ये लो. Thank you.
You should sell it.
I do sell. I do sell. We give in the bottle.
will be serving you.
You put little onion, you put the limbu, I'll put, you squeeze like that. This is for you.
How much time did you guys took for
See,
this?
first we need to make the batter.
Yeah.
That takes around half an hour to make the batter. Half an hour to 1 hour. Then after making the batter, we knead the atta. After kneading, we put it to shape. After shaping, we put it to dry. After drying, we do that flower design is there, no? That we do later, last, when it dries.
Oh.
So much time it is. And then the packing. And then the delivery. It's made of rice. We make with the rice atta. Then we steam it. Then we dry it in the sun. And then you can store it.
When
Rice atta
you
item.
do this?
This is only on the wedding, 4 days before we make it.
But otherwise in summer you regularly
समर ऐसा कुछ बनाते नहीं, ज़्यादा वेडिंग में ही होता है.
wedding पापड़ ही है.
वेडिंग पापड़. हाँ.
इसके बगैर शादी होता है क्या?
Then these are fugyas.
हो गया है.
Fugyas are made of maida, sugar, and it's fermented first, and then you just
So East Indians are not
take the
pav
atta
wala.
and
They are
squeeze it.
fugya
One ball
wala.
comes.
Yeah.
When you take the atta, one ball comes here. Then that you remove it like this, and put it in the oil, and then fry it. Ho gaya.
So fugya you can taste with curry.
It goes with tea also.
Tea.
It goes with curry.
It's like pav.
Anything. Yeah. This is our green keema. Green color chicken it is. It's a green masala.
My favorite.
Then this is vegetable. All those who are veg, na, mixed vegetable.
But you can have it.
This is our wedding pickle. It takes only 4 days to pick up. First you cut it like carrot, papaya, khajur, garlic, ginger. Cut it in the night, put salt, keep in the chalni. All the salt will go in the night, then come down in the sun and little dry sun so that the moist goes. Only half a day, not full day, it becomes hard. And then you put in the vinegar, whatever the masala of the wedding pickle ka, and keep it for 3 days. And on the 4th day, wedding day, we have. So that's wedding pickle.
That's community like.
These are whatever you're having now is all done only on wedding day. Regular also if people want they make, but mostly on the wedding day all ladies and all get together and they make it. And this is Javla Vanga. Javla Vanga is small baby prawns, maybe just born. They bring it, they dry it in the sun and then they make all different. You can make chili fry, curry, but there are some things we add is the Javla Vanga is famous. It is very well it goes
So
and very
among the
tasty.
tribal people, Javla Vanga is there. With different varieties.
Vanga is brinjal. And then this is hand breads. This is hand bread and chicken curry. This is hand bread. It's made of rice atta. You again steam it, then put it in the thala. Do how you all do your atta, and then with the hand, with this palm and the fingers, we make this square round it comes, and we put it on the tawa. Both sides we just roast it. It's not fully cooked. We just roast it both sides because it's already steamed in the pan. Yes. Wedding pulao. Yeah. This is mostly for the veg people who are there. It's only veg.
Non-vegetarians need to.
Yeah, of course. But mostly it's for the veg who are not having all this non-veg. Okay, now we come to our chicken vindaloo. This is chicken. It's a ground masala with red chilies, Kashmiri chilies and all mixed with this. And then we grind it, fry, and then we cook the chicken. There's no water in this. It's no water. Without water. That's it. Well, enjoy.
That's
Good
it.
appetite.
Thank you so much.
There was one young boy who came today from our group only.
He came to help
He
us
came to help.
today.
And he,
बोला नया आ गया उसको.
no, he almost done this full thing by himself. I was there guiding. We are doing our Easter eggs.
Egg.
Easter eggs. It has to-
Decorating.
Yes, yes. That-
So the food was amazing. I especially liked the keema because it reminded me of my mom's keema.
Are you worried?
No, I'm not, but she was from UP. So this was a very special dinner. Yes, and yeah, we're waiting for the Easter eggs now. And Thelma said that we can find the recipes in here. So I took a copy, and my friends and I will try this at home. And she said to call her if we get stuck with the recipe. So I'm going to try the fugia for sure because they were here.
What's your name?
Afreen.
Thank you, Afraid.
Thank you.
It was a great experience. Enjoyed having all the great dishes that Thelma has on offer, and also to learn about her background, her culture, and all about her residents and some of the activism that she's part of. And I'm glad I made it to this dinner. It was nothing better than coming to a Halu Halu walk, of course, and learning so much about our own little cultures within Mumbai.
It's a privilege. I think
Thank you very much. It was great. Thank you.
I don't have East Indian friends in the city, unfortunately, so it's great to be able to come to Thelma's house and have this Easter dinner. And I particularly love the tabla.
Hi, my name is Shishir. I had a really nice time listening to Thelma's stories and the struggles against the government. It takes a lot of courage. I am coming back to India after some time, and I've liked taking the coastal road, but I didn't realize it had come at such a huge cost to the local communities. So that makes me feel very conflicted. Also, it made me very sad to hear about the mobil being endangered. It's one of my favorite fishes. I'm Bengalis, I love fish, but Maharashtrian salmon is also one of my favorites. So, I come to Bandra all the time, but I didn't realize this was here, just 2 minutes from the main road. It's very nice to reconnect with my roots and the history. So much history is there, right? So I'm feeling very happy and also sad. There's a lot of fights and struggles, and you have to keep going. And you need the courage to keep going at it, right? So being here in such you're welcomed us into your home. Had very lovely food. I'm very touched and very happy to be here. So thank you so much, Thelma, Aslan, and Kripa, and everyone else. Thank you so much. It's been great.
Hi, I'm Tanvi. I heard about this experience through Halu Halu's Instagram. And I really had a really lovely time tonight. The food was absolutely delicious. Learned a lot about all of the culture and the community. Thelma is amazing, and her energy and her spirit is really fun to be around. And yeah, I just had a really good time today.
I'm Anaka. I'm Ria.
And I'm Jackie.
Oh, we found out about this from a friend.
Yeah, we found about a friend. We all found out through her, who found out about this from a friend. And
the vibes have been amazing. The food has been so good. It was the first time I've ever had food like this, and it was such a wonderful, welcoming community and a wonderful event. And it was great to kind of hear about the story of the place and to eat the delicious food. And just I've really appreciated my time here.
Thelma was really warm and really welcoming, and just a lovely person to be around.
And it's been so inspiring to hear about all of the work that she's been doing to protect our seas and our land, our collective space. And it's so important and it's inspiring. So this wasn't just a meal that you go to a restaurant and have a meal. This is, a home made with love, made with care, made with a lot of history. And that's just been so special, and I think we'll remember this night for a long time.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your coming.
Thank you for having us.
Always come.
Almost 45 days we waited. It's like it was fasting 40 days. And today is Easter, so we are celebrating. And cheers.
We had a lot of food today. You can see a lot of food here. और आज इसी बात
special.
आज खत्म करते हैं प्रोग्राम को. Bye, see you. Good night.
Thank you, good night. Cheers.
इल्ला तो host है. यार हम फोटो लेना है क्या लिया मैंने नाश्ते मेरा बिस्किट के साथ